Kumshibenta ban rakhe ke International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking dan ka singi banile Pyrshah ka Jingdih Droks sa shitulup ka perthai ka bahap ka arpun ruturik jelleu nakaliang ka Ophis trikam ka Ophis ka District Social Welfare Officer Ribhoi District haka jinya ringkat ber ka Ophis District Sport Office ka Pynlong ka Jingiakop marathon ka pasan kilometer ya ka balak sedang na Siden Indoor Stadium ber penkut pat NSA Indoor Hall Langkrai. Hakne ka marathon la sakhi ka jingwan shibanta ki samla ber ki rangba haka banakal yang senrang usamla skemlang suba ula khori ka nam baningkong usamla manas bongrung lawan baar bat usamla Emmanuel bongrung lawan balai bat haka thup ki kentai ka samla Pyrshah khemdek ka lawan baningkong ka samla seldaris makri ka lawan baar bat ka samla Julina bongrung ka lawan balai kum kedak ka jing ai mensem nakal yang ka Ophis Dswo kil airu daga kusnam sa ginung job haka ba kinong job ki bawan ningkong kil ayo ban khori ka song pisa ka basan hajar tengka ki bawan baar saw hajar tengka bat ki bawan balai lai hajar tengka ya kanne ka Jingiakop marathon lawan ban kawe lama do Dr. Abhishek Saini Assistant Commissioner Ribhoi haka jinya don lang ka kong I kharchendi Dswo Ribhoi uba Bobby Elnong bet Dswo Ribhoi bat kiwe nakatanat social welfare bat nakatanat District Sport Office.
World Day Against Drug Abuse. I think this is a very important event and especially participation of youngsters is very necessary to just raise this message that there should be complete no to drugs, especially from our youth. So it is very heartening to see so many of you turn up. That means you have that passion inside of you and you want to spread this message also. So I would like to say to all the youth that drugs are something that are destroying our young generation, and with this marathon you are giving this message of fitness, and when you say no to drugs you are fit, you are healthy and you achieve more in life. So that is my message to you. Please stay fit, stay away from drugs and always progress in your life so that you achieve heights, study well and always play a sport, and I can see all of you are very fit, so I believe most of you will be able to finish the marathon also, and I just congratulate all of you and wish you all the best, and thank you so much.